Welcoming back to MST Learning World. In this video, we are going to see how to create the regular expression by using state elimination method. So, we know that there are two methods for finding the regular expression from the given finite automata. The first method is by using formula method, for which we have seen the problems with 2 states and 3 states already in the previous videos. Now let us start the state elimination method. As the name implies, we are going to find the regular expression for the given automata by eliminating the states one by one. But to perform this state elimination method, there are some certain rules for eliminating the states in the automata. So you can have any type of automata for finding the regular expression. It can either be an NFA machine, or it can either be an DFA, or it can be an NFA epsilon machine. But for all the types of automata, the rules are going to be the same for performing the state elimination method to find the regular expression. So here, when comparing to RIJ formula method to find the regular expression, the state elimination method is little bit easy to find the regular expression. When you want to find the regular expression by using RIJ method, the steps are very difficult and you need to perform minimization rules. But here you don't want to perform the minimization rules for the regular expression. You need to perform the minimization rules only for epsilon and pi. You don't want to perform any minimization rules for the regular expression. That is the first advantage. The second is, there in the RIJ formula method, you will be finding the regular expression for all the values of k equal to 0, k equal to 3. As the number of states of the machine get increases, your responsibility for finding the regular expression also increases to the power of n to the power of cube. But whereas here, you will be start eliminating the state one by one to find the regular expression. The rules for the state elimination method are: the first rule is, you should not eliminate the initial and final state. You should start eliminating only the intermediate states. Then after eliminating all the intermediate states, you can eliminate the other states if it is not a final state. So the initial and final state will not be never eliminated in this method. To find the regular expression by using the state elimination method, you will be applying 3 rules. The rule number 1. Suppose if your automata contains 3 states, where here you can, I think you can see this automata. Here, to eliminate the state yes, here you have 3 states. To eliminate the state yes, you have to consider the path from Q to P. For eliminating the state yes, by considering the path from Q to P, you must make all the path towards P. So Q to P, Q to S and S to P. And you can consider the self loop present in the state yes. Here our aim is to eliminate the state yes, and S is not the initial or final state, it is an intermediate state. So you will have the transitions from Q to P, and that input is going to be R. And for the transition from Q to S, the input is going to be capital Q. And the self loop transition, the input is going to be S. And from S to P, the input is capital P. So to eliminate the state S, the single regular expression from the state Q to P is small r equal to the R plus Q concatenation S closure concatenation P. So this regular expression is a single regular expression from the path Q to P, and this will be placed as an input for the transition, and you can eliminate the S state S. And this is what is the formula is. Similarly, to eliminate the state S among a 3-state finite automata, you need to consider the path from P to Q. For that, you should consider all the path from P towards Q by including the state S. So to eliminate the state S, and for writing the regular expression from the state P to Q, where Q is initial and P is final, the regular expression R will be R plus Q S star P. Here the one difference that you can see in this rule number 1 for both the paths is, this is for the path from Q to P and this is for the path from P to Q. The regular expression here, the input Q and P alone just interchanges the place. This you must be very clear when you are doing the problems. So here the state S is eliminated and R equal to R plus Q S star P is returned for the path from P to Q. This is rule number 1 to eliminate an intermediate state with 3 states and by considering the path from Q to P and P to Q. This is rule number 1. And the rule number 2 is, after eliminating a single state from the 3 states, now we will be having only 2 states, where Q is initial state and P is final state. Then we start applying the rule number 2. So the rule number 2 is nothing but, you will be eliminating the single state. It is not elimination of the single state. It is nothing but finding the regular expression for the automata. This is what is the what is the regular expression for this automata. The regular expression is going to be R equal to R plus S U star T the whole star into S U star. Similarly, when you have a single state which is both the initial and final, and if it is having a self loop with R, then the regular expression will be R equal to R to the power closure. So you must remember these formulas to perform the state elimination method for finding the regular expression. Now let us see an example for the rule number 1. So here we are going to have a 3 state. So it is going to be P and it is going to be Q and it is going to be R. Assume Q is the final state, R is an intermediate state. I am going to find the expression for the path from P to Q. Assume this is what is 1 and it is 0 and it is 1 and it is 0. So now what will be the regular expression for this? So here I am going to eliminate the state R. So for eliminating the state R, here this is what is capital R. So R equal to 1 here. This is R and this is Q and this is P and this is S. So R equals small r equal to R plus Q S star P. So now this will become the initial state as P and final state as Q, and you need to find this R. So this R can be found by using this formula. So by using this formula, you have to find the regular expression and now you can eliminate the state R. So now it will be R will be equal to 1, Q will be equal to 0, S will be equal to 1 and P will be equal to 0. So R will be equal to 1 plus 0 into 1 star 0. Here everything is a regular expression. You don't want to apply any minimization rules. So now your automata will become P as an initial state, Q as a final state, and now you need to write 1 plus 0 1 star 0. This is rule number 1 for considering the path from P to Q and you are eliminating the state R. Now let us see another example where you are going to eliminate a single state by applying rule number 1. So here I am going to consider the path from Q to P, where Q is the final state, P is the initial state and R is the state which we are going to remove. That time you need to make all the transition towards P. Now assume sometimes in your automata there may not be a self loop for R. I think you are clear, there may not be a self loop. So here assume this is 1 and this is 0 and this is 0. So now this is your capital R and now this is your capital Q and this is your capital P and this is what is your S. Self loop is what is here? S here. So now you take it and write R equal to 1, capital Q equal to 0, P equal to 0, but S does not contains any self loop. When it does not contains a self loop, here you doesn't have any self loop here, so you assume that it is pi. So now to eliminate the state R, you need to apply the rule. This is going to be the final state, this is initial state, and you are going to write the regular expression here. So R will be equal to R plus Q S star P. So R is 1 plus Q is 0, S star is now pi star, and you will have P as 0. Now you need to, as I have already said, the minimization rules have to be applied only for epsilon and pi. So pi star is epsilon. So 1 plus 0 into epsilon into 0. Epsilon also you need to apply the minimization rule. So epsilon into R will be R. So 1 plus 0, 0. Now 0 into 0 is R into R is R, but we should never apply the minimization rule for the regular expressions. You should apply the minimization rules only for pi and epsilon. So here you should write 1 plus 0, 0. This is how you need to apply the rule number 1 for both the cases. One is for considering the path from P to Q, and the other one is for considering the path from Q to P. Now you assume that let us see an example for applying rule number 2, where you have an initial state and you have a final state, and you have a self loop here and a self loop here, path from here to here and a path from here to here. So now I need to find the regular expression for an initial state and final state. So at this moment you cannot eliminate any state, because the main rule is the initial state and final state should not be removed. In such a case, you have to start finding the final regular expression for this automata. With one as an initial and one as a final state, you are no need to eliminate any other states. So the regular expression for the rule number 2 is directly you need to substitute the formula for finding this is what is U and this is what is T. Now assume R is 0 here and S is 1 here, and U is now 0 and T is now 1. So assume R will be equal to, your regular expression R will be equal to R plus S U star T the whole star into S U star. So now here capital R equal to 0. So our small r will be equal to 0 plus S is now 1, U star is 0, T is 1 the whole star into S U star. Here S is 1 and U is 0. 0 star. Now this is what is the final regular expression for this automata. Now let us see an example for rule number 3. Assume you have a single state which is both initial and final, and you have a self loop where in your self loop you have like this. Now this is what is R, and the final regular expression for this automata is R equal to R star. So R will be now 1 plus 0 1 the whole star. This is what is the final regular expression. I think you are able to understand how to apply the rule number 1, rule number 2 and rule number 3, and how to find the regular expression. So in the further videos, let us see problems for finding the regular expressions by using state elimination method. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.